Alright, what's going on, guys? In today's video we're going to talk about how to do a Swiss bar floor press. So basically this exercise is great for developing your triceps, anterior delts, as well as your pecs. So I'm going to be breaking down this exercise in a couple simple steps so that way you're doing this exercise correctly. Alright, so step number one is making sure that our eyes are directly underneath the bar. So this little space here, I'm making sure that my eyes are just underneath here so I can see right through it. All right, so step number two is gonna be making sure that our shoulders are shrugged back and squeezed together. So just like this, put your hands here and then squeeze your shoulder blades together, making sure that they're tight. All right, so once your shoulder blades are tight, next you're gonna make sure that we get our grip. So you could choose either a narrow grip, medium grip, or wide grip. For the sake of this video, we're gonna choose our medium grip. Now, when you're taking your grip, you wanna make sure the shelf of your palm is directly underneath the knurling of the bar. That way you have a nice pad when you're lifting the bar up. From here, you wanna just take a nice grip and then unrack the bar coming out. So you'll see if I let go, there's a nice padding right underneath, so that way it doesn't slip out of my hands. Once we unrack the bar, then we're gonna lower the bar until our elbows are totally flat on the ground. Once they're flat on the ground, then we're gonna press up in a straight line. So that is how you do a Swiss bar floor press. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. Other than that, catch you guys next time.